guys, welcome to today's video. So today is episode 26 for the Vlogmas series here on my YouTube channel, and also today's day 20 or episode 22 where we are going to be talking all about lip liners. In fifth place we have the Jafra Royal lip liner. I loved these names of these lip liners. They all had names of queens, so this one is Elizabeth and it's just amazing. The only thing is I'm starting not to use Jafra makeup anymore. I think just because, I don't know, it's just I haven't been dipping into Jafra makeup anymore. I'm going to try to do it again. Just try to dip into more of their makeup because it is pretty good. Okay, in fourth place we have the MAC lip pencil. I love these lip pencils. They're amazing. I have the shade. This shade is in Stone, and I love to use this specific shade for lip contouring. It is so good for that. I love it. In third place we have the NYX Line Loud Long Wear lip pencil. I'm going to put a picture of it right here. I don't remember the shade that I have, but it was an amazing shade. I really did like that, but I have another NYX pencil that I like a little bit more. And anyway, I'm going to talk about it right now. In second place, we have the NYX Slim Lip Pencil. This shade is in the shade Nude Beige. This is my second pencil of it. It is my favorite shade out of all of the NYX lip liners. This is just so good. In first place, we have the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. I have maybe 4 or 5 of these shades now because they topped the NYX pencils. They're just amazing. This specific shade is Up and Down Tan. It is so good. I love this lip pencil, and I love that you can use it in different ways, like on the eyes or the lips. It is amazing. I actually want to try it, kind of, maybe, I don't know if it'll even work, doing like a little blush on it with the pencil. I don't know. We'll see if it works. Okay, so that was all my favorite lip liners. See you guys tomorrow for day 27, where we are going to be talking all about lipsticks. Bye!